The Levoit Vital 100S is probably the best small air purifier we've tested. It uses 3-stage filtration technology, has plenty of features, and performs extraordinarily well in all our tests. It's in the same range as the popular Levoit Core 300S, but in my opinion, it offers a bit more. Keep watching to find out how good it is and whether I recommend it or not. But before we get started, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Almost all Levoit air purifiers come ready to use and require just a few simple steps of preparation before the first use. In the case of the Vital 100S, the first thing you need to do is prepare the filter. You can do this by opening the front cover, pulling out the filter, removing the plastic wrap, and then placing it back inside. Next, unpack and plug the AC adapter into your air purifier. Place the device in the desired location, plug it in, and turn it on. The Levoit Vital 100S is rectangular in shape, featuring a black base with a white body. The plastic and build quality are very high. On the top of the device, there's a panel that includes controls and indicators. Here, you can find buttons for power, sleep mode, fan speed, auto mode, display lock, timer, and display off, along with indicators for these functions, as well as the filter reset indicator, Wi-Fi indicator, and air quality indicator. The touch buttons are well arranged and easy to use. However, I still prefer and recommend connecting your air purifier to the VeSync Smart App. A potential minor disadvantage is the lack of carrying handles. However, it has a characteristic U-shaped air inlet that is long and deep enough to insert your fingers and use it as a makeshift carrying slot, which definitely eases moving this air purifier from room to room. Overall, the Levoit Vital 100S is an attractive device that I'm sure will fit into almost any ambiance. This rectangular air purifier draws in air through the vents on the front panel and the openings on the sides. The air is then filtered and exits through the fan grills at the top. The Vital 100S is a feature-rich air purifier equipped with the latest Levoit Smart Technology. This includes features such as an air quality sensor, air quality indicator, auto mode, and the VeSync Smart App. The AirSight air quality sensor, a small infrared dust sensor located on the side of the device, measures air quality in real time. Based on the data this sensor collects, the air quality indicator on the top of the device will light up in different colors to indicate the current air quality. Additionally, through the VeSync app, you can access a more detailed presentation of the current air quality, along with historical data. Furthermore, this sensor also improves the functionality of the auto mode, enabling the device to automatically adjust the fan speed based on the current air quality. It's worth noting that you can customize auto mode settings via the VeSync app. Besides these advanced features, the Vital 100S also includes standard features such as a timer, display lock, display off, filter reset indicator, and more. All of these features make the Levoit Vital 100S one of the smartest air purifiers currently available on the market. VeSync is a smart app used to control all smart Levoit air purifiers. This well-designed app is easy to use and provides a truly fascinating user experience. With your Vital 100S connected to the app, you gain access to many advanced options such as automation, historical air quality data, improved insights on air quality, auto mode settings, one-click filter reset, scheduling, and much more. Trust me, once you connect to the Smart App, you'll never want to use the physical control panel again. Alongside Filtration Technology, The CADR rating is one of the most important specifications of an air purifier and is often misrepresented by brands. The Levoit Vital 100S has a CADR of 141 CFM, meaning it's suitable for rooms up to 219 square feet. It will clean the air approximately 4.8 times within an hour in the recommended room sizes. An ACH rate of 4.8 is considered an industry standard. Levoit states that the Levoit Vital 100S can cover 1,100 square foot rooms, but with only one ACH, which is insufficient for any significant improvements in air quality. The Levoit Vital 100S uses a rectangular filter placed on the front. It consists of 3 filtration layers: a pre-filter, a true HEPA filter, and an activated carbon filter. What initially caught my attention was the filter size, which is larger than expected for such a small air purifier. To be clear, this is a huge plus. The pre-filter, the first stage of filtration, is washable, easy to clean, and doesn't require replacement. Its primary function is to capture large particles such as lint, dust, fibers, hair, and pet fur. The second filtration stage is the true HEPA filter, which captures 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, including dust, pollen, mold spores, allergens, and other particulates. The final stage is a pellet-based carbon filter that helps neutralize bad odors, smoke, VOCs, and other unpleasant smells. I'm really impressed with the filter quality of this small air purifier, which is definitely the reason why it performs so well in tests. You can find more information on filtration at airpurifierfirst.com. The pre-filter on the Vital 100S is washable and doesn't need to be replaced. However, the true HEPA and activated carbon filters need to be changed, typically every 9 to 12 months. Luckily, this air purifier has a filter reset indicator that will let you know when it's time for a filter replacement. The procedure for replacing the old filter is straightforward. First, unplug your device and remove the front cover. Then, remove the pre-filter and wash it if necessary. Immediately after, remove the old main filter and dispose of it properly. It would be a great idea to vacuum inside the device to remove any remaining dust. After completing these steps, unpack a new filter and place it inside the device. Place the pre-filter and the front cover back. Lastly, reset the filter indicator either through the app or by holding the sleep mode button for 3 seconds. That's all. Your air purifier is again ready for use. The Levoit Vital 100S has 5 different fan speeds, making it easy to adapt to almost every user's needs. We tested its noise levels at all speeds separately, and what surprised me the most was that it only produces 40.5 dBA in sleep mode. It's fairly quiet at the other fan speeds as well. At low speed, the Levoit Vital 100S produces 42.7 dBA. At medium speed, it produces 51.6 dBA. At high speed, it produces 58.7 dBA. And in turbo mode, it produces 65.4 dBA. All in all, the Levoit Vital 100S is a very well-optimized air purifier with a bearable noise level, which is why I would recommend it for places such as bedrooms, kids' rooms, or offices. With a motor of just 35 watts, the Levoit Vital 100S isn't a huge power consumer. It uses 30.3 watts at maximum speed and only 3.2 watts in sleep mode, which is less than a light bulb. Let's say you used it in turbo mode 24 hours a day for 1 month. In that case, your electrical bill would increase by about $2.65. This isn't a significant cost, but there's also the cost of the replacement filter, which is a bit higher. Fortunately, you only need to replace the filter approximately once per year. When we consider all these costs together, we can safely say that the Levoit Vital 100S is affordable to maintain annually. The Levoit Vital 100S is suitable for rooms up to 219 square feet, and it's best not to use it in rooms that exceed the recommended size. However, in tests, it showed fantastic performance even in larger rooms than recommended. In the first test in a 194 square foot room, the Levoit Vital 100S improved the air quality by about 95% in just 60 minutes, while operating in turbo mode the entire time. In the second test, this time in a slightly larger room of 320 square feet, it also demonstrated great performance, improving the air quality by an incredible 94%, also while working in turbo mode for 60 minutes. These results confirm that the Vital 100S uses high-efficiency filtration technology. Overall, the Levoit Vital 100S is a well-performing small air purifier. In the following seconds, you'll find out how much time the Levoit Vital 100S needed to remove all the smoke from the smoke box. Levoit's Vital series is my new favorite, mainly after the releases of the Vital 100S and Vital 200S air purifiers. The Levoit Vital 100S is a small air purifier that covers rooms up to 219 square feet. It had outstanding results in all tests, is very quiet, has a well-optimized motor, and is equipped with plenty of features. These are the reasons why I declare the Levoit Vital 100S as one of the best small air purifiers we've tested, and why it's our top recommendation for buying. However, if you believe it's not powerful enough for your room size, then I suggest checking out its bigger brother, the Levoit Vital 200S. If you have any questions about this air purifier, please leave a comment below the video. You can find all the necessary links in the video description. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. That's it for now.